Hi everyone, I'm Vika. Welcome to A Baker's Obsession. Today we're going to be making pull-apart cupcake rose bouquets. This is the perfect gift for Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, or an anniversary, which is what I made this for since Mom and Dad are celebrating 29 years of their marriage this week. You're going to need a vanilla cake recipe. I'm using a box cake today, and this recipe calls for a third cup of oil, 3 eggs, 1 cup of water. You also need a cupcake tray with cupcake liners and a big mixing bowl to mix it all together. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. What I usually do when I use a cake box mix, I'll put all the ingredients together into a bowl and then mix everything until it is all combined. Pour the batter into the cupcake tray about 2/3 of the way and bake for 20 minutes. Then take them out of the oven and give them some time to cool completely. For the buttercream frosting, you will need 2½ cups of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of milk, and ½ cup of butter, a Wilton tip, I'm using 2D, and a piping bag. Cream the butter until it turns light and fluffy. Sift in the powdered sugar and add the milk and continue to mix it. Add the vanilla and any food coloring you want last and mix it again until everything is combined. Then let it cool in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. Arrange the cupcakes on the board, and I'm just using 7 cupcakes to make it round. Place the tip and the buttercream into a piping bag and start from the center of the cupcake and work your hand in a circular motion and expand out. Repeat the same process with the other cupcakes and make sure that they touch. The less gaps that you have, the better it looks. Roll out a few long pieces of green fondant into a snake-like shape, and that will be the stems. Cut out some green leaves with the leaf cutter and place them on top and between the cupcakes, and that will give a little bit more detail. And for the last part, I added a small pink bow to go around the stems. And that's it. That is how you make pull-apart cupcake rose bouquets. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. Please subscribe to my channel for more fun videos and tutorials. If you guys have any requests or feedback, please let me know. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks again. До свидания.